everybody, welcome and welcome back to Rita's World. My name is Rita, and in this channel I share with you videos about motherhood, lifestyle, travel and food. If you're new to this channel, welcome and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're already part of Rita's World, keep it locked. What's happening in my world this week? Guys, I have just finished shooting a video on my wholesale shopping haul. The things are here. Some of the things that I bought for my top up. So I went to two wholesalers. I got some things that are supposed to be a top up for my store, and I've already uploaded that video up on YouTube. Guys, if you want to know the prices at that particular wholesale, kindly check out our playlist for shopping haul. You'll find all the videos I've done with the price lists and the cost of the things that I've gotten from all those wholesale shops. Okay, so in today's video I wanted to clean my pantry and organize it, and also rearrange these things that I've bought into the pantry, and then finally divide what I need to use for the month into the small containers in the kitchen. I've already done a similar video before on YouTube. You can go on the same playlist. There's a playlist called cleaning and organizing, which has this particular part of the video. If you want to see how I do that, how I organize my fridge, how I organize my pantry, you can watch that so that you're able to see how I divide these things to fit or to last a month. If you're just starting bulk shopping, or if you're a regular bulk shopper and you realize that things are being misused in your house, they don't last as long as they should, this is the video for you. So I want to show you how the pantry looks right now. There's so much stuff in there. Some things are from Christmas which we took down and we never put it back where it's supposed to be, so everything is a mess. I need to reorganize that and then put back these things into the store. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy this video.
I got a piece of my heart that's covered in gold. You know I'm one of a kind.
That is just the current situation in my pantry. What I want to do now is to take down what I already have, clean up, organize, and then I'm going to start with the new items that I've bought. Those are the ones which are going to go in first, and then the things that we previously had in the store will come after that. The reason why I'm doing that is so that the things that we bought earlier don't expire before we use them. So that's what I want to do now. Let's remove all these things and then get going.
No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. This is paradise. This is paradise. Yo! Taking the heavenly glow, we've come to adore. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. This is paradise. know I'm one of a kind, or so I've been told. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise.
So guys, I've finished cleaning the pantry. I think I'm going to show you the after when I'm done. I just kind of feel the energy to clean this kitchen for a bit. My nanny is washing these containers. Remember the containers I told you that we are supposed to use to pack our food now in the kitchen that she'll be using for the rest of the month or for 2 weeks, depending on the size of the containers. As you can see up here, I've already emptied everything that was previously there. So once she cleans, we are going to load the new shopping for the week or for the month into these containers, and I'll show you that later because I need them to dry. So currently, I feel the urge to kind of clean the whole kitchen. I'll be going for my wholesale shopping for the kitchen, grocery shopping tomorrow, and I feel like I need this place clean just before I get the food in and start cooking and packing it into the fridge or batch cooking. So yeah, it's a mess in here currently, as you can see. This is what it looks like. And I just feel the need to clean it up and then organize it. So once the food comes in tomorrow, the whole place will be set. I'll show you how I pack the food once these containers are.
I got a piece of my heart that's covered in gold. You know I'm one of a kind, or so I've been told. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. This is paradise. This is paradise. Yo! Taking the heavenly glow, we've come to adore. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. This is paradise.
So I have managed to put aside everything I need for at least 2 weeks, 2 weeks, and this is what it looks like. I put unga for ugali, for chapati. There's rice there, there's ungangano there, there's tomato paste there. I don't know if I showed you guys the tomato paste in my shopping haul, but there's tomato paste there. Here we have cocoa, here we have sugar, here we have Royco, and here we have the main sugar. So this sugar is supposed to last 2 weeks. But I've also put some here. This is the container we use on a daily basis. So it's supposed to offload from here to here. This is what we're using daily. This is where the small stock is for her to last her 2 weeks. So for me, for now, as it is, what I put here should not last less than 2 weeks in this house. So after that is when now we'll add some more, and then we'll see how long that goes. So let me just put them up, and then I clean up the entire kitchen.
I got a piece of my heart that's covered in gold. You know I'm one of a kind, or so I've been told. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. This is paradise. This is paradise. Yo! Taking the heavenly glow, we've come to adore. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. This is paradise. I got a piece of my heart that's covered in gold. You know I'm one of a kind, or so I've been told. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. This is paradise. This is paradise. Yo! Don't be afraid to let go, just a little bit more. Taking the heavenly glow, we've come to adore. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. I got a piece of my heart that's covered in gold. You know I'm one of a kind, or so I've been told. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it and you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it and you found it all.
I managed to finish my cleaning last night. The place looks amazing. I wanted to show you how the store looks right now. It's a bit more organized than it actually it's so organized. I wish you could stay like this for the whole month, but kumaintain imekuwa ni challenge because people get in, wanatoa vitu, wanaacha kama iko disorganized. Let me just show you how it looks.
This is paradise. This is paradise. This is paradise.
Yo!
So guys, as you can see, even the kitchen looks very clean, by the way. I decluttered most of the things from that space because I felt like the things we don't really need. Kama ile deep fry yenye imeharibika, I just removed it. So that's just how the store looks. Auntie is outside. She's boiling, pre-cooking some food that I got from the market for the month of March, because this is the last week of February. So the food that we are preparing right now is for March. And I already cleaned the fridge, like I showed you in the earlier on. I just want to pack the food into the fridge and then see what else I need to do. But I think that will be basically it. The store is arranged, it's restocked. Once I restock the fridge, that means that for the next 1 month hatutakuwa na shida ya chakula, hatakuwa na shida ya shopping. So hata kama ni pesa ya biashara, it can be allocated to something else. Hi, the kids are back from school. So yeah, let me do that and then I get back to you guys.
Don't be afraid to let go, just a little bit more. Taking the heavenly glow, we've come to adore. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it and you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it and you found it all. This is paradise. This is paradise. This is paradise. I got a piece of my heart that's covered in gold. You know I'm one of a kind, or so I've been told. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it and you found it all.
So guys, I'm done with restocking the fridge. Let me show you how that looks. This is where you put the things that you use on a daily basis. Let me just show you how the freezer looks like. I love this fridge because it's spacious, though I feel like we are actually outgrowing it. So this is how the fridge looks right now. This is all our pre-cooked food. Let me just turn the camera.
This is paradise. Dance like you made it and you found it all. This is paradise.
Just how everything looks. This should last us a month at least. So that will be the end of our video today. I hope you guys have enjoyed. The only thing that I need to update is my menu right there. I always have a menu there that is based on what we have in the fridge. Usually the menu is done before shopping so that you know the quantities of what you need to buy and exactly what you need to buy. So I've already written that in my notebook, but I need to transfer it to that board so that when the nanny needs to cook, she doesn't have to call me and ask me what you're eating. And also the food that we packed is packed in a way that we use it, all of it in one meal. So like this is a portion for one day in mboga. So maybe the day we eat ugali and we defrost this and fry it, and this is just a meal for that particular day. I think I've done a more detailed video on this. I'm going to link it here so that you're able to see how I also manage misuse for the food that I have already pre-cooked, and packing it in portions that are enough for a meal is one of the things that I've done. So if you're thinking of batch cooking and storing your food in the fridge for the month, you might want to do that. As you pack enough food for just one meal. Once inatolewa kwa fridge inapikwa, that's it. That's a meal for one day. And then you pack according to how many times you eat that particular food in a month. So if you have, say, beans once a week, you need at least 4 containers of beans in the fridge. That will last you a month. If you have beef once a week, you need at least 4 containers of beef in the freezer for that 1 month. So that is the idea. So once that is sorted, and also the food in the store has been removed and put in the kitchen for the next 2 weeks, I'll refill the containers after 2 weeks, and that should last them for a month. So that is just basically how I do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in our next video.